Hi everyone! Have you ever looked in the mirror and caught a glimpse of a stranger staring back, thinking, what happened to the vibrant and ambitious you? Ironically, we are usually not motivated to examine our own depths when everything in life is going well. Life is easy and motivation for self-reflection is low, making us less self-aware. We forget to ask ourselves the hardest questions, like who am I and what's truly driving me? We often tie our self-worth to external success and what others think about us. But when everything goes wrong and life stands still, it's in those moments of emotional turmoil when we are left alone, asking ourselves the deepest truths. Who am I without all that, and where am I headed? That's when the most vital conversation starts within ourselves. I remember the exact moment that became a turning point in my life. When I felt completely lost. No sense of self, no direction of what I wanted from my life. I found myself stuck, struggling to reclaim my identity and regain my balance. By taking a deliberate step back, I began my journey towards finding my true self. For me, that moment was the starting point to grow as a person, and I realized real change starts from inside out. My inward journey started when I decided to release the burdens of my past, leaving regrets behind. I forgave myself for not knowing better and for the mistakes I made in ignorance. In those moments, I searched for my life's purpose and understood the core essence of my existence. And that's when the real transformation began and a new chapter unfolded. My growth chapter. I learned what makes me, me, my strengths, weaknesses, and passions. As I progressed on my journey, I slowly unfolded the layers of my true personality, confronting my deepest truths. I discovered my true identity and uncovered the qualities that makes me uniquely me. Gaining clarity, I aligned my choices with my core values and what feels truly right to me. I discovered my true self in my imperfections, accepted myself wholeheartedly, and learned to love myself unconditionally. Today, I firmly believe that the most valuable return on investment is not financial. It's the time we invest in gaining self-awareness that transforms our lives. Understanding our thoughts, behaviors, and emotions really pays off in form of increased confidence, strong intuition, emotional intelligence, deep self-care, and compassion. This transformation sparks our inner wisdom, enabling our ability to stay resilient during challenging times, to make conscious and effortless decisions that molds us into our authentic, ideal self. As said by Oprah Winfrey, you cannot become who you need to be by staying where you are. Tears, fears, and doubts. We all have scars, physical, emotional, mental. Isn't that true? Life can be overwhelming at times, and each one of us has a story to tell, and sometimes that story can be dark and scary. But what if you could learn to navigate those dark moments and find the light within that darkness? Our story makes us who we are, and we all have the capacity for growth. As we shed the layers of our old selves, we discover new strengths and possibilities waiting to emerge. So, if you are feeling lost, unsure of your direction, or searching for something more meaningful, you are in the right place. Connect Within TV invites you to the most transformative journey of your life. This journey involves cultivating self-awareness by understanding what matters most to you and makes you feel truly happy and fulfilled. Take a moment to reflect before you begin. Conduct an honest self-assessment and ask yourself, what burdens do I carry? Whom do I need to forgive? What did I learn from my past? What changes do I need to make? What are my deepest desires and what does my future self look like? Free yourself from unnecessary emotional weight and release the grip of resentment. Discover your strengths and weaknesses to live a life full of passion and purpose that reflects your real personality. My dear folks, it's a lifelong journey that brings your unconscious thoughts and patterns to the light. It's like untangling delicate threads of your mind to take control of your life. But remember, it demands courage to accept your inner truth and commitments toward change and growth. Listen to your inner voice, it has all the answers. So, are you ready to tap into your inner greatness? Subscribe to Connect Within TV and start your journey towards a more self-aware, empowered, and mentally liberal you.